Good morning. I'm here at AIME's Day 2 2026 with Brad Crump, who's the Executive Assistant and Manager of Sales and Marketing for Hyatt Regency Tokyo. Hi Brad, how are you doing this morning?
Good morning, thank you. Great meeting you.
How's AIME's been so far?
It's been very good. Australia is a very important market for us. Now it's actually our second largest inbound market in Japan.
Yes. So you recently redid your property as we were just talking, right? Can you tell us more about it? Yeah. What have you changed and what's new?
So the Hyatt Regency Tokyo was the very first Hyatt hotel to open in Japan in 1980. Opened as the Hyatt Century Hotel, and then in 2014 we rebranded to Hyatt Regency. We just had the most extensive transformation in the history of the hotel, which was completed in September last year. And we renovated the majority of the guest rooms, public areas, restaurants, fitness, and the Regency Club as well.
That's really nice. So what makes it more attractive for meetings and incentives?
So we have 18 meeting rooms in the hotel, and we also have some rooms that are on the high floor of the hotel with natural light looking over the city, and on a clear day you can actually see out to Mount Fuji. We have so much space in the hotel and so much flexibility to work with groups. And our location being in Shinjuku is also the ideal venue for inbound groups, and also we're actually located right on Central Park as well. So it's a little bit away from the hustle and bustle, but also very easy enough to access to the main area of Shinjuku.
Okay. Which markets are driving the strongest demand for your property?
So US is still our number one market, but actually second inbound market, as I said before, is Australia now.
Yep.
And Australia never used to be in the top 10. So it just shows how popular Japan has become, but not only just from Australia and the US, but from all markets now as well. Southeast Asia, India is another market, which is also now increasing into Japan as well.
Lastly, what are the new developments or offerings that you're highlighting for this particular year?
So following the renovation, now we are also enhancing our services in the hotel, and also the offerings that we have as well, and looking at new activities and collaborations with premium partners as well, including our afternoon tea. Now we're working with Pierre Hermé, the French patisserie as well, and serving high tea in the lobby, and continuing to look at ways that we can enhance our services and activities in the hotel.
Absolutely, that sounds wonderful. Thank you so much, Brad. Thank you for talking.
Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity to talk. Thank you.